Now it's time for us to hit the hospitals to show you what goes on. Today, Xand is on duty in the plaster room.
If you break a bone, you'll come here to get it plastered.
Plastering broken limbs is a technique that's been used for over 200 years and
This team sees hundreds of patients each week.
so they need to work fast. A plaster cast keeps a broken bone in place so that it can heal in the correct position.
Jack, I'm Dr Xand. Can you tell me what's happened?
I've broken my thumb, tripped and it snapped. This bit here.
Right in the joint.
When you get a cast like Jack, first a sock goes on to stop the cast itching. Then a layer of cotton wool padding. And finally a layer of plaster, which sets super quick into a hard shell.
So you're just going to look like, yeah, Jack says yes to this.
Now everyone who gets a cast on obviously has to have it taken off. Like Jordan here.
Jordan, what did you do?
Broke my ankle.
How'd you do that?
I was playing rugby.
Love and kisses. Looks like it might all have been worth it.
Popular, yeah.
To get that cast off requires a saw, but not just any saw. Check this out.
What this saw can do is distinguish between hard and soft things.
Whoa!
So it can cut through things like wood or plaster casts, but it won't damage anything soft like your skin.
Let me show you on your hand.
Well, it's amazing. It just tickles.
That's because it has a special vibrating blade, so when it's used by an expert, it means your cast can be off quickly and without hurting you. Anyway, time to meet our next patient. Hang on, I recognise that person.
What have you done?
I broke my leg. What do you think I did?
Did you come off your swing? Did you come off your trampoline?
Yes. Actually, the reason I'm here is because I'm going to get Xand to race Julie and see who can get the cast off quicker.
On one arm will be specialist orthopaedic practitioner Julie, with 17 years' experience. And on the other arm will be Dr Xand, who's been on the ward for just one day.
On your marks, set, go.
This ward sees hundreds of patients a week, so the team have to be able to get casts on and off quickly. The question is Xand up to the job? Julie's already on the inside. Come on, Xand, what are you doing? A quick snip with the scissors, and I think we have a winner! Somebody is still going, though.
No!
Am I winning?
Let me think about that. No. Oh my goodness, is he ever gonna finish?
Yes.
About time, too.
What was the margin?
Julie, you finished in an impressive 51 seconds. Xand, you took just under 5 minutes. If you worked here, which would be ridiculous, Julie would see 5 times as many people as you.
That just goes to show how skilled experts like Julie are. So if you break a bone, you'll be in safe hands, quite literally.